Hi, I'm Johanna Rothman, and this is my December 2024 Create an Adaptable Life newsletter, which essential questions will help you start next year right. I've done my version of planning for next year. I set not more than 3 big overarching goals. Then I develop tactics I can use, but do not have to use to accomplish that goal. Here's what that looks like for me for 2025. Tactics. Finish my store and the effective public speaking book. I thought I could complete both this year, but with only 21 days remaining in the year, I might not. That's why finishing old work is at the top of my list. Strategy. Increase overall word count so I can write and finish the nonfiction books and write longer fiction. Tactics to fulfill a possible strategy. Experiment with a Kickstarter for nonfiction. I have plenty of fiction colleagues who use Kickstarter to good effect. Yes, that's it. I have many options for what I might do next year, but they all hinge on writing more words. I can change these goals because life will change, but I have these goals because I have already answered some questions about what I want for my next year. None of these are resolutions. I hate resolutions. However, each of these goals will help me clarify where I want to go with my business and life. I used these 3 essential questions to clarify my goals and plans. Essential question 1. What do I want? With apologies to the Spice Girls, we can't develop any overarching goal without knowing what we want, what we really want. Some people recommend you sit with this question and noodle it for a while. I'm not one of those. If you're an extrovert, ask a trusted partner or friend to ask you this inside of a 90-second time box. What do you want? Now answer that person. Sure, if you're an extrovert, you might have to clarify the question. And if you're like me, you might need 2 minutes, not 90 seconds. But time box your answer. None of us need more goals. We've got plenty. Instead, we need to simplify. The fewer goals we have, the simpler our decisions are. If you're an introvert, take 90 seconds to think about this. Maybe even write a few ideas down. Now choose 1, maybe 2, a maximum of 3. If you need to discuss this with your trusted friend or partner, that's fine, but make sure you answer quickly. The quickness prevents any of us from thinking too hard and wondering what other people want us to do. We need to choose for ourselves. Essential question 2. What will I say no to? No one can keep adding more to do. We have to choose what to stop doing so we can choose the next thing. I've written about this a lot on my other blog. See, Create More Success. How to say no to everything to say yes to what's necessary now for the organization's perspective. And see this more personal series that starts with saying no to more work. Here's the real problem. Your yeses mean nothing if you never say no. Essential question 3. How do your decisions make you feel? Write down up to 3 goals. That's why I showed you my examples. And write down what you will stop doing so you can accomplish those goals. Now, check in with yourself. How do you feel about these decisions? Are you happy? Anticipatory? Nervous? Those are all terrific feelings. You can create habits and systems for tactics that help you succeed with these goals. What if you feel What if you feel fear or dread or panic? Maybe those aren't the goals you really want. Listen to your body, and if you still want to accomplish those goals, decide how you will convert that fear, dread, or panic to tactics that will help you succeed. Plan loosely for maximum impact. The looser your plans, the more impact you can create because you can adapt as necessary. That's why goals are so helpful instead of resolutions or plans. And if you do use these ideas, please let me know what happens. The announcements, I still have room in the Q1 2025 writing workshop, link below. If you write fiction, I have options for how you can use this workshop for your content marketing. If you are part of the Agile community, I have a link below for the Agile Network. And please see my books, my link tree with all the relevant links, link below, and I will see you next month in the new year.